Pothole Repair is a unique resource dedicated to making your job easier and saving you big money. There are thousands of paving companies, but only one pothole repair company specializing in small, affordable asphalt repair. We are a SWAM certified U.S. company using 100% American labor and materials to provide a better solution for dealing with potholes and damaged asphalt. We use an environmentally friendly, sophisticated, hot-in-place recycling process to deliver durable, high-quality asphalt repairs. Our process is quiet, quick, and affordable. There are thousands of paving companies to choose from, but there is only one pothole repair. We are not your typical contractor. We rely on your repeat business, so we focus on providing exceptional service, delivering real value, and building a long-term relationship with you, our client. Call or email today for instant service, a free quote, an on-site meeting, or more information.